Eat ng squash. Wow, good job po. Hungry ikaw? Huh? Ang galing man kita.
Picture too. I want pillow.
Team. Wow. Where's your pose?
Nanood kami yung mga baby.
Wow.
Pala ba?
Netflix? YouTube? Dito na, smile. Hindi ka naman nakarap kay mami. What do you want in your birthday?
At the bottom.
What do you want to receive? What
Gift.
Gift? You want gift? Basta baby ko,
Kitchen.
A kitchen? Food? Kitchen food set? Like that?
Yes.
Oh.
Like Lucho.
You don't want Elsa? Or Diana that? You don't want that?
I want kitchen.
Okay. Wow, good job ang baby ko ah. Good job yan ah. Atik baby clean. Yummy? Yummy yan?
Yummy?
Wow, yummy.
Ngayong pandemya, nakipagtulungan ko ang ABS-CBN Foundation sa LGU
Baby clean.
para sa isang wide
Clean clean. Wow, peekaboo.
sa Kaisan Batangas, si Loreto Asin. Manghirap ang biyahe pero pinilit niyang makarating sa Kaisan Municipal Gym.